what's going on, everyone? This is Neil with Steel Mountain Capital. Today is Sunday, January 31st. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I wanted to really just wanted to make a brief video on those of you using WeBull and basically how to use WeBull and like use like a scanner to pick up stocks and maybe potential stocks that you might want to trade for the upcoming trading session. So basically, I'm going to take you through what I do. It being Sunday, so I want to try to get myself ready for the opening of the week. So basically, here you're looking at Weeble, um, and this is pretty much the dashboard chart. Here on the left is my watch list. So if I go to my watch list, I basically, any company that I am watching for, long term positions, go right here. And I'll also show you how to generate that watch list as well. But let's go ahead and dive into how to use the screener. So over here on the left hand side, we have a bunch of different options here. So there's watch list up here, there's stocks that takes you back to the main charting software, markets gives a brief overview of the different markets, and then we also have a screener here. So here's a screener, and I already have a couple different screeners that I use, but so for this video here, I want to create a screener. So here, give it a name. So I'm going to say Neil's stock screener. Okay, then you can click on filters over here, and this gives you another little drop down here. You can choose different markets, different sectors. When you hit sectors, you see how it opened up another selection here. So we can do a little bit more. We can do price, maybe percent change. I like leaving market cap up. Volume, I mean, it's nice to have it there. Financial indicators. So, if you want to get into like some more like fundamental stuff, or if you're looking for like let's say your long term goal is to maybe look for um, dividends. So if you're looking for like dividend paying stocks here, you can choose this here and select dividends, or whatever. Um, hold on 1 second. So we could break down our filter, but for like just to make it a little bit more simple here, this is what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at region, exchange, sector, and market cap, price, and percent change. Okay, so leave it like that. All right, so our region, we're gonna primarily stick within the United States. We can choose the exchange. So I'm gonna be looking Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange. Sector, we could break it down into sectors too. So for like what I'm looking at, I'm going to be doing renewable energy. I'm also going to be looking into transportation. I'm going to be looking into automobiles, the automotive sector. I'm also going to be looking into, let's see, what else do we want? We want healthcare, we want pharmaceuticals, software, IT, technology, and then telecommunications. So those are the different sectors that I want to focus on. For whatever your guys like investment goals are. Choose a sector that you're interested in. So basically, I'm choosing sectors right now that I am interested in, ones that I want to invest in. So that's that, and now we can adjust some of these other filters here, right? Um, so like the what I want to do is I want to focus on some the market cap, right? So I want companies that are at least have a $1 billion market cap, and I want to go to let's broaden this a little bit to like 10 billion. Okay, so we'll do $10 billion market cap. Okay, now for price, I'm gonna be doing $10 stocks to $80 stocks. Okay. And then for percent change, I'm looking at anything that's pretty much down 15% to down 5%. Okay. Um, so what I'm looking at is like some companies with decent market cap, prices within a reasonable amount that I want to start investing in, and then I also have the percent change. So basically, with this being where it is, I'm looking for stocks that are kind of beaten down. But then and then from there I can start digging in and looking into the companies. Like, okay, now we're going to start looking into like the financials and see if there's fundamental reasons to invest in these companies. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. So that's a real quick overview of how to set up your scanner. And then after you do this all, make sure that you save it. And you could give it a more descriptive name. So like, let's say, you're doing, these exchanges or these sectors, or if you're just doing like, let's say you just want to scan per sector, you could do renewable energy sector, for your screener, and lay it out like that. So you're not, looking at a whole bunch of stocks in here, and you can have different screeners set up for different markets, different parts of the market. So I hope that's somewhat helpful for you guys. I'm gonna sign off here now, and we'll have some more videos coming up. All right.